Hey, Mike. Welcome to Casa Vista Infinita.
Thank you very much. I'm already super impressed. I've never crossed a bridge to get into a house.
Yeah, this was an amazing feature for the entrance into the house, but just wait till you get upstairs.
Oh, okay, all right, let's go.
Check it out.
Are you serious?
Yeah, this view is one of a kind.
I don't even feel like we're on planet Earth anymore. This is crazy.
You see the horizon, Flamingo, the marina, the mountains.
Basically all of Costa Rica is right here.
You get it all, and you got the view on every side of the house.
Okay, let's talk about this roof. This is spectacular.
The architect and the owner really wanted a landmark piece to see from wherever you are. And so the concept was to really open up the house and have an inverted roof. And so with the inverted roof, it's able to extend and still make the house look larger and give you this view that you can see all the way to Nicaragua.
What is the design of this called?
Their idea is to blend modern tropical in nature. Open space concept, natural woods, and very minimalistic. The house is roughly 17,000 square feet. Comfortably sleeps 20 people.
Okay.
There are 10 rooms. One was converted to a gym. There's 4 levels, so you can really not feel like you're on top of each other with 20 people in the home. The primary, they spared no expense. You have an enormous balcony, a large walk-in shower with tub, beautiful vanities, top-notch travertine from Italy.
So not only do you have a bridge coming in, you also have an elevator I see right in the foyer.
Correct. This was the central part of the house. They wanted to create the open flow, so the air flows between all 4 levels.
Right.
And then each level, residential, and then the top level is for entertaining.
Excellent.
And so you've got the kitchen, the bar and billiards area, and a formal dining room, and this beautiful wraparound outside deck.
Now let's talk about these doors, because these are actually more unique. I've seen a lot of doors that slide, but these seem to do a lot more than just slide open.
Yeah, so what we designed were pocket doors that slide all the way back, can pivot all the way to the left, giving you basically a 180-degree view unobstructed by windows.
What is your personal favorite part? And also, is there anything else that you, as a builder, was super unique?
This right here.
Right.
You have a 50-foot lap swimming pool with 3 infinity edges,
Right.
50 feet off the ground on the side of a mountain, looking out at the Pacific coast in Costa Rica.
Well, Chad, this house is extraordinary. I can't wait to showcase it on the show. So I hope you're really proud. And one thing I would like to experience is the sunset.
Absolutely. I would love for you to stay and join us and watch this beautiful sunset as the sun touches the horizon.
All right, well, I will do.
All right.
Thank you, and congratulations.
Excellent. Thank you.